Welcome back, everyone. Today we are diving deep into some listener-submitted articles about something that's got the crypto world buzzing,
Yeah.
Ripple's new stablecoin, RLUSD, and things are already a little spicy, to say the least, even before the official launch.
Okay.
We're seeing pre-market bids as high as $1,200, which,
Wow.
yeah,
Right?
for a stablecoin.
For a coin that's supposed to be stable.
Yeah.
So we've got a lot to unpack today. Like, why is Ripple's CTO already kind of waving red flags?
Yeah.
What is making people bid $1,200 for a stable coin?
Right.
And how does this all connect back to the bigger picture of Web3 and the crypto market?
Well, I think it's important to start with just a quick overview of what stablecoins are and why they matter,
Okay.
especially in a volatile market like crypto. So basically, stablecoins are designed to maintain a stable value, usually pegged to a fiat currency like the US dollar.
Okay.
And they try to do this through various mechanisms like backing with reserves or using algorithms.
So the idea is to offer the benefits of cryptocurrency, like fast transactions and low fees, but without the wild price swings that we often see with Bitcoin or Ethereum.
Right.
And, Ripple is a company that has been around in the crypto space for a while.
Yeah.
They are known for their payment network and their cryptocurrency XRP.
Right.
But they've also been in a long legal battle with the SEC over whether XRP is a security.
Yeah, that's been going on for a while.
So this launch of RLUSD, it's a big move for them.
Yeah, for sure.
It's a big move.
Yeah, well, especially with those pre-launch bids already hitting $1,200. Like, it doesn't really make sense for a coin that's supposed to be stable.
Yeah.
And then you got Ripple's CTO, David Schwartz, talking about how FOMO, fear of missing out, could be driving this speculative behavior.
Yeah, I think he's right to be concerned. I mean, stablecoins rely so heavily on trust and stability.
Right.
If investors start to lose faith in RLUSD's ability to maintain its peg to the dollar, the whole thing could unravel.
Yeah.
And this early hype, it could create a bubble that bursts pretty quickly.
Yeah, that's a good point. It's like the more people jump in.
Exactly.
Because they're afraid of missing out.
Right.
The more the price gets pumped up.
Yeah.
Which actually creates the volatility that stablecoins are supposed to avoid.
Exactly, yeah. It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy.
Right.
Yeah.
And didn't Schwartz also mention something about potential supply shortages?
Yeah, he talked about
early on.
How supply shortages early on could be a real problem for RLUSD.
Yeah, how so?
Well, see, for a stablecoin to maintain its peg, there needs to be enough of it in circulation to meet demand.
Okay.
If there isn't enough RLUSD available, the price could rise above its peg even though it's not supposed to.
Yeah.
And, supply shortages can happen with any new crypto asset, but it's especially problematic for stablecoins because they need to keep that delicate balance between supply and demand.
Okay, I see.
To maintain stability.
So this whole situation with RLUSD and, the supply shortages and the FOMO, like, how does it all connect back to Ripple's ongoing legal battle with the SEC?
Well, it's interesting because the SEC has been arguing that many cryptocurrencies, including XRP, should be classified as securities.
Right.
And if RLUSD is seen as unstable or too speculative, it could actually strengthen the SEC's case because it would feed into that narrative that these digital assets are more like investments than actual currencies.
Okay, so basically this whole thing could actually backfire on Ripple.
It's a possibility. Yeah, the stakes are definitely high.
Yeah, they are. And we haven't even talked about the fact that, the stablecoin market is already super crowded.
It is.
There are so many stablecoins out there already.
Yeah, you've got different types. You've got ones backed by fiat currency reserves like Tether. You've got ones backed by other cryptocurrencies.
Yeah.
And then you've got algorithmic stablecoins.
Right. And each of those has, their own set of pros and cons.
Exactly. And their own risks as well.
So, where does RLUSD fit into all of this, and what are its chances?
Well, it's hard to say for sure right now, but one potential advantage it has is that it's going to be integrated into Ripple's existing payment network.
Okay.
So that could give it a boost in terms of adoption.
Yeah.
But ultimately, its success is going to depend on a few key things. One, how well they manage the supply of RLUSD and address any potential shortages.
Okay.
Two, how transparent they are with investors about, the mechanics of the stablecoin and the reserves. And then three, how the market reacts. Does the hype actually translate into real-world usage?
Yeah, does it fizzle out?
Or does it fizzle out? Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it does feel like we're watching a pretty high-stakes experiment play out in real time.
It really does.
Like RLUSD could be huge.
It could.
But it's facing some serious challenges.
Definitely. I think the next few months will be crucial.
Yeah, for sure. So listeners, what do you think the future holds for RLUSD?
Yeah, tell us.
Will it become like a key player in the Web3 economy, or will it just become another cautionary tale about the hype and speculation in the crypto world?
Yeah.
Let us know what you think.
We want to hear from you.
Keep an eye on this one, and we will see you all next time.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.